Hello everyone, welcome to another macOS tutorial. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how to update macOS to the latest version. So with that being said, let's get started. To update your macOS, simply open System Settings, click on General, then click on Software Update. And here you should get an option to update your macOS. Also on the System Settings, you will get Software Update Available notification. Simply click on it and click on Update Now button. And here you will get software license agreement. Simply click on agree button, enter your system password, then click on OK and wait for the update process to complete. Once update has been completed, simply click on restart to apply the update. So that's it. This is how you can update your macOS to the latest version. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.